There's not much downs. Like, I think this is a everyone problem. Sometimes your flatmates can be really messy.
Okay, so that's more of like
And
the people who you accommodate with
yeah,
sometimes.
and
Okay,
sometimes like people can be loud. Like, I don't think it's in my flat because in your flat the walls are quite thick. I can't really hear when my flatmates are playing music, but I can hear like people upstairs. They'll be playing really loud music,
okay.
but it's not that deep because it's only sometimes.
And what do you say are some ups about living at Dorchester University?
Dorchester University,
Dorchester
Dorchester
House.
House. Um, the staff are really friendly. The like receptionists,
Mm,
they help pick up your parcels and they're really nice and friendly. And on Tuesdays they give you sweets.
okay.
If there's a problem with the washing machine, you go to them. I think they will give you a refund. They're really nice. There's a gym. Um, they host events. They do like Yeah, they do lift different events. There's even like a PS4 in the common room,
Mm-hmm.
and I think you can use it when you like
Mm-hmm.
and play against people.
Okay.
Sometimes sit there, chill, watch movies. There's
Yeah.
different societies sometimes in there.